Whether you've created a new website or given your existing one a complete makeover, you have exciting news to share. But what's the best way to do that? How do you make the announcement in a way that engages your audience and compels them to check out the new site and give you insight? Even before your new website has launched, you should begin prepping and building up anticipation among your customers and audience. Here are a few ideas to consider before and after you launch your site. Number 1, post on social media. In the 2 to 3 weeks ahead of your website launch, build anticipation with a series of posts on your social media accounts. These posts are often referred to as teasers, and they should be short, simple, and original, even a bit vague. Then create a series of posts for the next weeks after your launch to highlight its new features. Number 2, harness the reach of your followers and your business partners. It helps to announce your website in a first-person sense, but you shouldn't stop there. Make a list of business partners and highly engaged followers who you've established a positive rapport with, and ask them if they'd like to participate in the announcement on their social media accounts as well. This also includes those who are involved in a partner or referral program and already have some sort of commissions-based relationship for sending business to your website. Number 3, write a press release. Write a press release about your website launch or rebranding to share with local news outlets, trade publications, or other entities. If you're part of any community organizations, networking groups, or business associations, they may also have a weekly or monthly newsletter in which they can include your announcement in it. And number 4, email your website announcement. Harness the power of your email list so you can determine exactly who sees your messaging and when. Just like your social media posts, consider at least one teaser type of email leading up to the launch, and then showcase the various features of your website or the unique advantages of engaging with your company or organizations in that way afterwards. And number 5, send out a mailer. Not everyone is on social media or online, so it's smart to diversify your website announcement techniques. If you have a direct mailing list, design a brochure, postcard, or other type of physical document you can mail to your business clients, volunteers, or even donors if you operate a nonprofit organization. Number 6, promote an offer. Depending on the kind of website you just launched and your brand message, you could promote a special offer to pique the interest of passerbys on social media, recipients of your mailer, and even existing customers that return to your website. And number 7, hold a website launch party. You may even consider holding a launch party, like in person, if it was a team effort to redesign or create your website. This is an especially poignant measure to take. When you take time to celebrate achievements, it signals to your team that their work matters and that it's worth celebrating. Further, if your industry is tight-knit, or if you've developed relationships with your customer base or extended audience, this is an opportunity to let people mingle, deepen the working relationships, and spark new ideas and creative conversations to propel your business forward. One last piece of info. One mistake to avoid: officially announcing your website on the day it goes up. This may seem counterintuitive given the fact that you've spent the past couple weeks, months building anticipation and much longer actually developing or redesigning the site. However, you should wait about 48 to 72 hours after the new site is live to ensure full propagation throughout the vast interwebs. It also gives you a small buffer period where you, your staff, and a few others can uncover and fix website issues before it's visited by a large portion of your audience. Launching your site should be a big deal. You worked hard on making it as informative and helpful for your customers, so make it a big deal. And to get even more sweet tips and even download a complete guide with checklists, timelines, and all of that, check out the description below. I'm Sarah from Third Angle. Thanks for watching. Want to know the best way to build your website? Check out our video about the development process we follow.